some sort of association with me, some sort of closeness to me, where I think Citizen is a heritage brand. It has been in the business for 76 years. Somewhere I feel I also am affiliated with the film family, which comes from heritage and has been affiliated with films, I think, for about 100 years. So I think somewhat the connection is very close, very deep. Also, it's a very highly individualistic, independent brand, Citizen. And I feel in my approach, I'm also very, very close to that, you know. So somewhere it's a very deep connection, and that's what I feel. And I think we've done some great work together. As you can see the stills behind, the kind of different pictures that we've taken. I think it talks a lot of style, a lot of class, and a mix of fashion and heritage. So I think that everything put together talks about me as a person as well.
What makes something special about this collection compared to the last one?
I think this time they've come out with a diamond collection, which it's the first time they've done that, you know, and it's like even I'm wearing a watch which is rounded with diamonds all over. And I think it appeals to most of women, like I said, love diamonds. So definitely, you should definitely go and gift your wife or girlfriend one for sure.
The second watch that they are going to give you, who are you going to present or are you going to wear both of them together?
Yeah, I'm pretty selfish, so I keep both for myself. No such thing of that. But anyways, I would love to do it because I think they have launched a collection in my name, so I mean, I would love to wear it in my film. It's like promoting my own brand.
And is it for the first time that an eco-drive wristwatch has been launched?
Yeah, I think that's the first time.
Just tell us about your competition with Swiss watches. Because Japanese are not so strong in watches as seen in the market as of now.
So I think Mr. Nagasaki should take that.
You know, Swiss watches, it is very strong, but there are a lot of brands. Swiss brand means Omega, Lado, Rolex, Tissot, and Swatch, Longines. But in India, you can meet any showrooms, and you can compare with our showrooms. The quality of showrooms is much better and more variety of the collections. And also our watches, not just watches, We have these watches, no need to replace the battery forever. For example, Tissot, Longines, you have to change the battery every 2 years. Going to the shops, unnecessary money, that's it. But you know, technology, function, and high-tech watches, you cannot compare.
Whatever, preferably colors that I like and stuff. Like last time we launched, it was a red color watch, and red being my favorite color, and I think that watch did really well. And this time it's more a lot of class to all the watches. So most of them I've seen and I like most of them. They're more of me in all the watches.
Do you help them, like, you know, the marketing strategy also somewhere, like in case?
No, I just lend my name. I'm not involved in the marketing. That I think Mr. Nakasaki is the right person in marketing.
You said red is your favorite color. What does red signify to you?
I think it signifies somewhere it's a very independent color. It stands out amongst all the colors and it's the brightest color of all. So I always opt for red.
करीना, अगर होली के बारे में बात करें तो इस बार आप होली किसके साथ?
करीना, वक्त पर चीज़ करना अच्छा लगता है, तो आपको क्या लगता है अब आप फिल्म के अलावा और कौन सा स्टेज आ गया, क्या करने का वक्त आ गया है फिल्म के अलावा?
ऐसे सोचा नहीं,
शादी करने का।
करीना, आपका फेवरेट कलर?
रेड, जैसे मैंने कहा था।
और करीना बहुत ज़्यादा स्लिम नज़र आ रही हैं, आप योग कर रही हैं, जिम कर रही हैं, या किस टेक्निक का सहारा है?
I think just doing a lot of yoga and focusing on my own self and making a conscious effort of it.
करीना, सुनने में आया है कि आप समय की पाबंद हैं और आप आर के फिल्म्स के साथ जुड़ने जा रही हैं, कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में।
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं।
करीना, your favorite Holi song?
होली मैसेज कोई दीजिए.
Just like to wish all my fans and viewers a very happy Holi and a safe Holi.
करीना, सुनने में आया है कि आप समय की पाबंद हैं और आप आर.के. फिल्म्स के साथ जुड़ने जा रही हैं. कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में.
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
करीना, your favorite Holi song?
होली मैसेज कोई दीजिए.
Just like to wish all my fans and viewers a very happy Holi and a safe Holi.
पहिला वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है तुम्हारा कितने
So I think this is all